Today, I'm going to show you one of the most important tasks you'll perform on our YouTube channel. This process is called YouTube Watch Time Optimization. The goal is simple. Keep viewers watching more Truck Driver Nation videos. The longer someone stays on our channel, the better our watch time becomes. Increased watch time helps YouTube recommend our content to more people, improves our search rankings, increases subscriber growth, and helps us qualify for additional monetization opportunities. Your job is not to randomly post comments. Your job is to build a learning path that naturally moves viewers from one lesson to the next. Think of our YouTube channel like an online college course. Every lesson should lead directly into another lesson that helps the student continue learning. That is exactly what we're building. Most YouTube creators upload videos and hope viewers continue watching. We don't hope. We intentionally guide viewers from one lesson to the next. Every long-form training video should answer one question while creating curiosity for the next topic. When someone finishes learning one skill, they should immediately want to learn the next one. We are only doing this on long-form training videos. Generally, these are videos that are around 30 minutes or longer. Do not spend time doing this on shorts or reels. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio, locate the long training video you're assigned to work on, open that video. Remember, the end screens have already been created. You do not need to modify the end screen. Your job starts after that. Step 2. Open the public video. Click the video's public YouTube page so it opens exactly the way a viewer sees it. Watch enough of the video to understand what it teaches. Ask yourself, if someone finishes this lesson, what should they naturally learn next? Always choose the logical next step. Step 3. Find the next lesson. Locate the next long-form training video. Copy that video's YouTube link. The link should never point back to the same video. The link should move the viewer forward. Every video should naturally lead into another lesson. Step 4. Write a curiosity-based comment. Do not write boring comments. Avoid generic phrases like click this link. Those give people no reason to click. Instead, create curiosity. Tell viewers what they'll gain by watching the next lesson. We're selling the value of the next lesson, not simply posting a link. Step 5. Pin the comment. After posting the comment, click the 3 dots and select Pin. The pinned comment should always stay at the top. Step 6. Perform quality assurance. Before moving to the next video, verify everything. Check the link, the logic, and the spelling. Never assume it's correct, always verify. Every video should feel like another chapter in the same course. Notice how every lesson naturally continues the student's journey. That is exactly what we're creating. People naturally continue learning when they're curious. This creates momentum. Momentum creates watch time, which leads to more views, subscribers, and students. Avoid these mistakes, linking to the same video, unrelated topics, boring comments, or forgetting to pin. Every comment should feel personal and helpful. Your daily workflow: open Studio, find the logical next lesson, write a curiosity-driven comment, pin it, and test the link. Aim for 10 to 20 videos per day. Remember why we're doing this. We are not simply posting links. We are building an organized learning system to help every student continue their journey. By creating a clear learning path, you help turn individual videos into a connected educational ecosystem. Let's get to work helping our students learn more.